How to change theme on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on themes. After click on themes, scroll down and select theme from here. After select theme, click on download. After downloading, if you want to change theme, you will see and click on apply. After click on apply, your theme is changed. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.